Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete a Proton Drive account in 2026. So if you want to permanently remove your account and all stored data, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, open your browser and log into your Proton Drive account. Next, click on your profile or settings icon, then go to Account Settings. Now look for the Account Management or Security section where deletion options are located. Next, scroll down until you see the option to delete or deactivate your account. Now click Delete and confirm your choice. You may be asked to enter your password again for security. Before final deletion, make sure you download or export any important files you want to keep. Now complete the final confirmation. Once done, your account and data will be permanently removed. And that's it, you've successfully deleted your Proton Drive account. Just remember, this action is permanent, so double check before confirming. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.